cascading forms, dependent forms. There are different names for these if you search online. But what this basically does is if you have a collection, for example, of cars over here, and then you have a filter form here with two drop downs, the first one being for the three manufacturers that we're using for this example, and the second one, here we have all the models of these manufacturers. Now, if we choose one manufacturer, what happens is not only does this get filtered over here, but if you click the drop down, the second one, you'll have the models that are only connected to the specific car manufacturer that we chose over here. Now let's see how this actually works in the builder. We have our collection over here. We have the make, we have three different car manufacturers. Then we have the models here. We have the model names, and the car manufacturer is a reference field. The make is a reference field. And then we have the cars themselves where we can choose them and change the specific model and make over here. Now, if we go to the canvas, we have the cars over here. This is the collection. And if we go to the settings, we see that they are connected through the filters to this filter form, the make and the model. Now let's go ahead and recreate this. So let's delete these, and then let's go ahead and click the filter form and also delete it, and let's recreate it. So I'm going to hit A. I'm going to choose form over here, filter, add, and then I'm going to hit A again. And since the filter form is already selected, I'm going to create within it a select. This is for the drop down, and hit A again, and I'm going to click select again. Okay, we got two select inputs, and let me click filter form now. And so the specific things load automatically without me having to use a button and a workflow. I'm going to click behavior, filter on value change, and in the design, I'm going to go to layout, flex, vertical, and I'm going to give it a gap of 10. And of course you can, design this to your liking. And now I'm going to hit an input, go to the settings here, change the name so it's shown in the URL. I'm going to go with make, and this is also easier to find later when you're connecting the collections. Options, make, placeholder, make. Now I'm going to go to the second one over here. Again, so it's easier later to find. This is going to be the model. Option is going to connect to models, and placeholder model. All right, so we have that. Now we need to connect the collections to the car here, the cars. In the settings, use the filters. I'm going to filter by make. Hit none, link to field, make, and then we're going to click add. Very important, don't forget this step. Plus model again. Model. Link to filter field. Model. Hit add. There we go. Now if we click save and go preview, then we have the make here, and we can change it. There we go. But what happens when we use the second drop down is we still have all the models. And sure, this is going to work. If we click something here, everything's going to work fine. But that's not what we really wanted it. We wanted this to be filtered too, right? So the way we do this is we use this last one step where we have the model here, and we have the settings, and we gave it the name, the options. Here we also have filters similar to the other collection. And now what we do is click make, hit none, link to filter. There we go. So it's filtered by the make that has been selected here. And now if we go save, preview, then it's going to work just like I showed you the very beginning. Hit make, first car manufacturer, and there we go. Only the models from that specific manufacturer. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one.